Hello everyone, we are vlogging. It's been a while. What can you say, man? We're vlogging. But mommy, what can you say?
What can you say, Calie?
What can you say, Calie? Where are we going?
Airport.
Hey guys, today we are vlogging and it's been a while since we've done this and I don't know. Let's see. Hello. So we are going to pick up Wowa and Tita. Tita, what's the name of your Tita?
Cherry.
Yes, we are going to pick up Wowa and Hati Cherry. Okay, petrol is done. I didn't get the chance to buy coffee. Do you like coffee, my love?
Chips?
Oh, you want chips? So yes, I think we'll just figure it out the next petrol station and coffee and chips. So we're here. We're here in another petrol station, Coles. And we bought some food and coffee. The baby is hungry. Say hello.
Hello.
Are you hungry?
No.
With a We're here at Sydney Airport. If you're going to park here in the airport, it's so expensive. I think it would cost around 30 bucks. But here in the public parking, 15 minutes is free. But after 15 minutes, it would cost you maybe from 15 to 30 minutes is around $11. And then from 30 minutes to an hour, around $22. I'm not really sure, but please check the link below and you will see the prices of the parking. So I would suggest if you are going to pick up anyone here at the airport, just park here at the public parking. So the baby is asleep. And Celeste just went out for a quick toilet while I'm waiting here.
Welcome to Sydney.